Welcome. So today I am with Honor 50 Lite and I will show you a couple of camera tricks. So the first one, I'm going to show you how we can also take photos. So it's very obvious that we can take photo by tapping on this shutter, but we can also use the volume buttons, the volume down and volume up. Take a look. You have to click once and the photo will be also taken. Another useful option from the shutter, you have to enable it by going to the settings and enable the floating shutter button. Take a look right now. As you can see, we get additional button right here on the screen, and we can also use it like this one. So it's useful, for example, when you hold your phone like that and you are not able to reach this bottom shutter. So we can place this floating shutter button right here next to the right edge, and you can just click like that and take photos. And also when you click and hold, you are able to take the burst shot. Okay, never mind. As you can see, the burst shot is not working on the floating shutter button, so that's my bad. And to turn it off, you have to just go back and then click right here to get rid of that. But when you are on settings, we can also enable the camera timer. You can select between 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's enable, for example, for the 2 seconds, and then just take photo. As you can see, after 2 seconds, the photo was taken. And right now I'm going to show you probably the most useful feature that we can find in the camera. It will be in the more modes, and it's called the high resolution mode. So this mode gives us definitely more details than the normal one. So let's take a look how it works. You have to switch for the high resolution, click on the shutter, keep your phone steady while taking photo, and right now I'm gonna move to the normal photo mode and show you the difference between the normal mode and the high resolution. So this photo was taken with normal mode, right? We can focus, for example, on this keyboard of this Alcatel old phone. It looks like that, not bad, right? But when we switch to the high resolution mode, you can spot definitely more details, and you can also zoom in much closer. That's very useful option. Okay, and basically that's all for the Honor 50 Lite. If you enjoy, remember to subscribe to our channel, leave likes and comments below. See ya!